मैं यहाँ आपके रेफ्यूजी कैंप में बच्चों के लिए क्रिकेट ट्रेनिंग कैंप खोलना चाहता हूँ।
So we have with us the talented team of Torbaz. We have the actor, talented actor, handsome actor, and the villain of the movie, Mr. Rahul Dev and Puneet Singh, the producer of the movie. Welcome to my show and to Atlanta virtually.
हाल ही में मगरिबी फौज ने एक और जोरदार हमला हमारे खिलाफ किया।
So before we jump into the discussion of Torbaz, I just wanted to ask you, and you must be in contact with him. How is Mr. Sanjay Dutt doing? Because this was his first release after the announcement of the illness. So how is he doing?
He's well. He's working. He's doing really well.
Okay.
In fact, he has another release which is now coming up. It's called KGF Part 2.
Oh, great! So thank God he's back.
Oh yeah, he's working. He's like a bar house. He's working from one set to the other.
So Rahul, how was your
Prithviraj? He started shooting. I mean, he completed KGF.
यही खोया था मैंने आर्यन और मीरा को। तुम्हारी जितनी तबाही तो नहीं देखी मैंने, लेकिन अपनों को खोने का गम मैं समझ सकता।
So, Rahul, your appearance in the movie is like flawless. We always know that you are a good actor, but with that body language and with that style, and especially with that accent, that Afghani accent. So somebody in Afghanistan must be thinking, ये बिरादर ही कहाँ चला गया हमारा भाई. So how difficult or easy it was to inculcate that accent into your character?
गद्दार और मगरिबी लोग काबुल में बेखौफ बैठा है। अब हम उनको वहीं घुस के मारेगा। हमें क्रिकेट से कोई तकलीफ नहीं, मगर ये बच्चा ये हमारा सिपाही है। इनको बड़े काम के लिए तैयार किया है हम।
अभी इतना ना मुश्किल नहीं होता है ये सब, because everything is available to you.
Right.
I mean, say if I had done this say 20 years or 15 years ago, it would have been a little more challenging, because times have changed. Its availability is there for people who can tutor you. In fact, there are a few lines which I've spoken directly in Pashto. I don't know whether you noticed that. They're not spoken in Hindi. And of course, now, I mean, having done a lot of regional work, I've been part of about 33 Telugu films, 15 or 16 Tamil films, 16 Kannada films. So these are all languages alien to me. I'm from Delhi and I came to Bombay. So when we were raised in Delhi, everything down south of Maharashtra was a Madrasi.
South Indian.
So
I'm a Daliite myself, so I can understand.
So you understand, right? The mindset.
Yeah.
And the comfort. I mean, working with Baba, उसमें ऐसा कोई pressure नहीं रहता है कि he's a very easy actor to work with. Very easy, very giving, very very giving actor. Very secure actor. At least for another actor.
इन बच्चों को जरूरत है उम्मीद की, भरोसे की। तुम 5 वक्त की नमाज पढ़ते हो अपने मकसद के लिए, और मैं 5 वक्त की नमाज पढ़ता हूँ इन बच्चों के लिए।
बहुत अच्छा आदमी है।
So was he struggling at that time when shooting for Torbaz
in terms of what?
Struggling with his health at that time?
I think the media has made too much out of it. One, I think, so that's not really fair. And two, I think he was totally fine. I mean, he would tell you. I mean, he was running the whole sequence. You see, he's running in the climax. How much has he run?
Yeah.
And you're speaking, you're shooting in high altitude, where the oxygen is anyway lesser, where the oxygen levels are lesser.
Right.
And then he would also share, Puneet Baji, that he was driving back to his hotel, which is very far, and then driving back to the location. His drive itself, you would be almost 6 hours back and forth every day to attend one of the
230 kilometers one way.
230 kilometers
one way.
So 460 kilometers a day.
Yeah.
So I mean,
that's
obviously,
commendable. Yeah, I think that's the will. That's the will of working or living. I think that's why he comes back from that illness. So coming back to your accent, Rahul, कोई एक dialogue हो जाए movie से in your accent.
अभी सब भूल गया हूँ यार, अभी सच्ची में
मैं याद दिला देती हूँ.
हाँ बताइए.
मरते नहीं हम शहीद होते हैं, something like that.
Okay, let me try. हम मरता नहीं, हम शहीद होते हैं.
हम मरता नहीं, हम शहीद होता है.
So Puneet, is the story is totally fictional, or did you research that it's based on true events?
You see, it's happened there in Afghanistan. These kind of things have happened. That's how even the team was the cricket team was being put up there, started happening there. But definitely, it's inspired from some true facts, but it's a fictional story.
Okay. So there are suicide bombers, children suicide bombers over there?
Yes, there are.
अब इनका मरकज इनके ठिकानों पे इनका कब्र बनेगा. We will achieve this by making our children suicide bombers.
ये जो रिफ्यूजी कैंप के बच्चे हैं, अपने जिस्म के ऊपर बम बांधकर खुद के साथ न जाने कितने मासूमों की जान ले लेगा.
एक रेफ्यूजी कैंप में रहने वाले बच्चे टेररिस्ट नहीं होते, बल्कि वो टेररिज्म का पहला शिकार होते हैं.
Okay, so Rahul, my next question is to you. You shot in Kyrgyzstan, and as you already told me that the landscape, the terrain was very difficult to shoot in. So how was your experience, and how did you cope up with that?
I mean, I remember my very first day of shoot. My very first day of shoot was a very tight, close scene, which is people are capturing a documentary of.
And you were giving an interview, I think.
It's like an interview, and he tells the world that I'm alive and all of that.
हाल ही में मगरिबी फौज ने एक और जोरदार हमला हमारे खिलाफ किया. हम मरता नहीं, हम शहीद होता है.
And that for that I was sitting in a chair, which was in the middle of nowhere. There's like snow all around.
Okay.
And when you arrive at the location in a plush car with air conditioning working and heaters on, and it all looks very well on the outside. It looks beautiful. And when you suddenly step out in the scope, it's not so uncomfortable. You've got your own clothing on. So you're wearing, North Face and all of that, so you're well protected and then suddenly when you take that off and get into the skin of the character's clothing, which is barely much, you know what I mean? It's not really made for winter or, it's... Then
the reality
the sort of snow and the cold sort of gets to you. And in that moment, we were shivering and you're trying to make sense of it. You know what I mean? So you sort of get the intensity to so what they must be going through on a daily basis. So it helped me a lot. That the cold, it helped me a lot in terms of performance. Then of course there was the montage on the very first day where we had to walk and trudge along because it was all very picturesque, and the director wanted all with the cameraman these scape shots of the setting down sun and of that time top sun and all of that. So while trudging it, I felt ठीक है यार, पैदल चलना है, इसके बीच में से बर्फ में से चले जाएंगे यार. It's not such a big deal, and so you started walking, and I didn't know, my feet are going to just sink into the snow. It was all loose, and till my knee, it all just, your first step went down. So suddenly at a 6 foot something, you felt suddenly very dwarfed or closer to the earth. You felt like a 5-footer, and my feet up till the knees were blue, and they remained blue for like good 2-3 hours, even after throwing them into the heater of the car. So the vanities couldn't come up that far because upar tha zyada.
Right.
So the altitude and the sort of locale didn't really permit the vanities to really come up till the end. So we were pretty far from there. So all you had the car. It was the car, and then after a while, what happens is the clothes become wet, your shoes become wet, your socks become wet because of snow, and that feeling of damp stays with you the whole sort of. Even at night when you're in a heated place, you're still feeling your feet are still damp.
मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है पुनीत जी, ये मेरे कंधे पे बंदूक रख के आपको सुनाया जा रहा है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल. I'm indebted to Puneet. I mean, he gave me such a wonderful film. It's always going to be very, very close to my heart. I cherish it.
No, that's really true. All of you all for joining with me, and I have already watched Torba, so I cannot say that I will watch it. So it's a great movie. The landscape were great, and thank you so much for joining with me.
Thank you so much. You have a good day. Thanks.
Bye bye, Rahul.
Bye bye.
5 वक्त की नमाज पढ़ता हूँ इन बच्चों के लिए।